Since student in my uniform ever they pop out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Deely. If you're new here, welcome. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Today's video is going to be a what's in my emergency kit. I've done a video for 2 years now. So I did it my second. So now I am going to be doing it again. So this is my emergency kit. You realize that it's clear. I had this emergency kit last year, but it wasn't the one that I showed you guys. I kind of switched out when I was going onward, and I want something to fit with everything that's in my bag to go on the hospital, and the other one was too big. So I switched to this, and I decided I'm going to keep this again this year. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so as I stated previously, this is my kit. See, you can see everything in there, everything. So let's open it. First thing first, that's on top, I have some tablets. I have a leave. So you guys see the leave. I have Advil, the ibuprofen tablets, and I have the liquid gel one. So these, and I also have the cetamol menstrual one, which don't work, and I want to take the acetaminophen too. So in case of anything, I'll put some of those in my kit. So those are the first thing that's on top. Then I have thread. As a nursing student, in my uniform ever they pop out on my bed. Where guys, me not bend down properly. So I always have thread and buttons and pin in my kit. Can't find the button them, so them must have somewhere in my bag. Well, my bag from last year, which they tear out. So when I look for them, I just add them in the kit. I have bobby pins, guys. These are very essential for us as nursing students because we have to pin up the hat on our head. Talking about hat, I have mine here. So the student, you need to iron and press, but that's at least my concern because we don't need them as yet. So bobby pins and hat. We have a mini band-aid kit. As you guys can see, I have some of them. The other kit, I don't know where they. This is the new one. So the first aid band-aid, yeah. Cause something ever happen as my friend ever want a band-aid. Why are you pitching rude? Up next, I have another pill. This is prescribed for me. It's for my sinus and my allergies. So I take this with me. I'm not sure to take them with me in the hospital in case of anything. I have a mini toothpaste and a travel size toothbrush in case of anything that I will need it for, especially if I eat something I know I'm going to need it for. So I have them on hand. So make sure to eat them pearly white. Yeah. So as I said, make sure to eat them pearly white. So especially if you get curry, you know curry stain. Trust it us. Then I also have the Neutrogena Beach Defense SPF 70 sunscreen. Because sun hot nowadays, they need something to protect your skin. So I have the travel size package for it in my kit. Then I have deodorant. So I use aluminum free deodorant due to my severe eczema. I've been using this for a while now, and I am not getting any burning sensation as before under my arms. So yeah, as it one more time. So this is the one that I use. I have a nail clip because something ever happened. I know you can't have long fingernails onward. And what if your fingernails are grows and you forget to cut them and then preceptor see you with them? You have them here if you cut it before them complain, right? Yeah, right. And then I have my underwear. I should have black, I don't know. I may have pink in here, so but one of the period underwears. So those are the only underwears I wear on a period, and I'm big and comfortable. So I have a wide variety of pads now. I have these size, I have the thicker ones, and then I have the thin ones. So I have them based on the size that they are. So it depends on the days and how my period is. So the thick ones I like for the first 2 days. Then the 3 and the 4 I go down to the other middle size one, not so thick, but it thick, understand. And then the last couple of days I go to the thin one because the time that the blood the decrease. I have 10 pads. I don't necessarily use them pads unless it's for an emergency. I like the click ones, but these are not the click ones. I got these, don't remember where I got them. So I have quite a few of them in the kit. As I said, I don't know how I get them, but I got them. As I said, I prefer the click ones and the click ones because I'm easy to snap in, snap up the shade, so they're easy to put in and to take out, the click ones. So that's basically all I have in here. I have to go pack up the bag properly. Hopefully I can pack up the bag at the tail. I have my Cetaphil moisturizer is supposed to go in my bag. You can't hold in my kit because that's the one I use on my skin, and wipes need to be added also. So those are what's not, and gum. So maybe sweet chocolate and gum. So those are missing. Let me see. No, and perfume, boy. So perfume, lotion, wipes and gums are missing right now out of my kit. Also what's missing for me is mask, since I am will be on the hospital. I'll need a mask because as them say, COVID they grow on the back. So girl don't want to catch COVID. I never caught it and I don't want to catch it. So those are basically the only things that are missing from my kit. So yeah, guys, this video is short, and I haven't posted, so I wanted to do something for back to school. The next video that you will see is what's in my book bag for my 3rd year of nursing school. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.